Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, and a quick unboxing of a new Apple Watch, and the theme will be going along with the current colour of our iPhone. So this is the special edition and the 44mm Starlight aluminium case with Starlight support band. So let's check it out and see what it looks like. So we have got the usual packaging inside like so. We've got our watch in here and our band here. So we'll have a look at the band first, will we? So it says stainless steel pin, bracelet support, and all that kind of stuff there. Nothing too fancy. And let's open it up. So it's got 45mm written on the strap, which is a bit funny. So inside we've got Apple Watch. And that's the colour there. So it looks pretty nice. Near enough colour to the phone. That's what it looks like there. And it's got the usual setup there, as you can see, and it's a rubberized band as well, as you can see. So you have two different length of straps, which is nice. Let's have a look at the actual watch. Let's do a peel. So we'll do 1, 2. Okie dokie, so in here we have got designed by Apple in California, just paperwork, the usual rubbish. We have got the wireless charging puck, USB-C, and all plastic all around, as you can see there. So that's pretty much what that looks like. And let's have a look at the watch itself. And there we go. So it looks really nice on the back. You can see all the sensors. You've got your release keys there for the strap. You've got your sensors there, yeah, and you've got your digital crown, or whatever you want to call it, and you've got your button here, and you've got a button in the middle as well. So that's basically what it looks like there. Let's see if there's any power in it. We'll try to turn it on. So we do have a little bit of power. And the Apple logo. You can see the bezels on it there if you angle it. And that's pretty much it. So we have to check out this with our iPhone and set it up. So if you want to see any more on this, give us a shout. We'll get back to you when we do a full review later on, as these are products I bought myself. I don't usually review stuff I buy, but that's just a quick first look and unboxing of this Apple Watch SE for 2022 in this colour and strap and all that kind of stuff. So we'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk to you then. Okay, so we're going to give you a quick setup here of what to do with the watch when you get it. So you open up your phone like so, and you'll see continue, and you go allow, and you can have what you've got here. So set up here, so hold watch up to the camera. Okie dokie. Hello, so we're just going to quickly go through pairing up with your phone. So you've got your Apple Watch on your phone and so on. So start pairing and set up for myself, and hold watch to the camera. And you'll do that. Your Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. So it's going to be on the left wrist. Continue. My lights have stopped working again. They seem to work randomly on and off. I think we've got a loose connection. There we go. So there's a loose connection somewhere. I think the actual USB port is a bit ropey at this stage. We have a years. So you get connected like so, and it'll take a moment to set up, like you can see there. So all first impressions, it's pretty nice, and it's looking well. The digital crown works pretty well, nice feedback off it as well, and all that kind of stuff. And it all matches up nicely, as you can see, with the colours, which is nice. Might be a bit on the bright side, but we'll see how we go on. But we'll get more straps and all that kind of stuff in, so I'm not going to share. Apple Watch passcode, so I'm going to create one. And we've created our passcode. So you've got your text size here, so you can see here how that works. It makes it bigger, and continue. That's all grand there, so you can personalize that. We'll leave that to later on. Activity, workout, tracking, and then you've got your notifications about health, your safety, all that kind of stuff. Crash detection and backtrack and emergency SOS, which of course comes with the 14 Pro. And Apple Pay, we'll set up that later. So you've got your apps view there, list or grid. We'll continue. We'll go with, if the icons here, not everyone's going to be familiar with, especially if you just move from Android to iOS. So you can have the option of list or grid. We'll go with the grid, it looks nicer. And then it will sync up with your watch, and any apps that you'll have, your notifications will obviously come through then on the watch itself, which is quite handy. And I do find wearing a smartwatch does keep you away from your phone, and depending on what watch you have, some offer more and some do the job better. So that's what kind of happens when you're wearing a smartwatch, if you want to get used to have one. So in here you've got welcome to Apple Watch, all this kind of stuff in here, health and fitness, explore Apple Watch user guide, welcome, and what's new. So that's all that kind of stuff in there if you want to have a look at that. Okay, so watch has been added to account. Okay, so you've got all this stuff that'll pop up then after all that setup process there. My Watch, Face Gallery, and Apple Watch apps. So you can choose what notifications will come, your app view, your dock, general. So you've got your general settings in there. Screenshots, you can put that on. Bedside mode, enable handoff, punctuation, all that kind of stuff. App view, as we've seen already. Notifications, so in here's where you can control what will go to your device, as mentioned. So you can show the full notification, which will be handy. That's what the watch is for. Sounds and haptics. So you want the full volume, and you've got crown, haptics, system haptics, and cover to mute. Your passcode, emergency SOS, privacy, activity, all that kind of stuff is in there then. And that's pretty much what you've got there. So we have to put some more edits in it there. Notifications we've done, and that's pretty much what there is in the app. So your face gallery's in here, which you can pick through, which has improved quite a lot. And let's go down. So you've got your modular compact, your motion. Nike is back in. Nike bounce, Nike compact, Nike digital, hybrid, numerals geo, mono, all that kind of stuff there. Portraits, pride, solar, stripes, time lapse, Toy Story, typograph, unity, utility, vapor, world time, extra large. Okay, let's pick one while we're here. I think I'm going to go with one of those new ones that show a bit of detail, like this one here. So you can change the colour template as well, as you can see. And your complications, which is nice. Nice array of colours. Here we go with, and then you've got this here to higher or lower the colour. And your top, you can change your complications there as well. Okay, so what's in plus? So you've got different colours in here. Autumn, spring, change them through the seasons, I suppose. Which is pretty cool, but yeah, I don't like... We'll go with... Yeah, we'll go with the one that's on it there. Right, let's go back here. Red is quite nice. So if you go add, it will pop down there, add it to watch faces. So that'll pop in there like so. So you've got your passcode to get in as usual. And you can scroll down for your notifications. You can swipe to the right for your faces. So that's another one there. That's quite a nice one. And swipe up here. So you've got the rest of the stuff in here that you might want to check out. 87% battery, your tone, your torch. So that's what's going to look with the torch there. And that's just the face now that we picked. So if we go and pick another one, say, go with that one there, go add. And you've got your weather notifications as well there, so we can leave all that aside. And so we go add, the watch will change over then to that one there. So that's pretty much it. So you swipe up from the bottom to change your settings, and just get out with that there. And you have your digital crown here. So you can press in there and that will zoom in, and you can scroll with the crown as well, as you can see, which works well. And then you've got this button here to go back to the start. And it's pretty nice, clear all. So again, left is for faces, down is for notifications, and up is for settings. Pretty simple interface to use. And that's pretty much it. So in Discovery then you have the same here that we seen earlier on. You can add, remove what you require on your watch. So that's just the first three there. So you've got them there. You can just remove them then by just tapping on them and change them there if you want. And that's pretty much it. So you can just delete like so, and they'll be gone. So you'll have plenty of playing around with to do on the Apple Watch. There's lots there to check out. Now this is my second one now, and yeah, we said we give it another go this year and see what it's like, but it looks really well. This one here, the special edition, and that's basically just a quick walkthrough and setup of the new Apple Watch SE. So thanks for watching, see you next video.